Okay, so I've done most of my recording with the Hero 6 Black on a chest mount, just on road rides. I'll give you a demo of that audio now. So this is a chest mount setup. Now I'm not too sure how it manages to sound so good in the wind, having this set up on your chest, even just with the internal mic. For some reason, with your body behind the camera, it just helps with the wind and it sounds really good for a standard internal mic. And when it came time to go and do my first track day, I couldn't wear the chest mount because the bike has to have the cameras fitted to it. So I had the Hero 6 set up as you see it now, but just using the internal mic on the racetrack, and it was terrible. The wind noise was really bad. I'll give you a demo here. So I trialled my first external mic with the little adapter set up, and I just used the cheap mic, like a lapel style mic, this one here, and just set it up under the swing arm of the bike. And when on a road ride, the audio was not very good. The microphone's overly sensitive and had a lot of interference and crackle. So I spent some money on a decent quality mic, and the results have been really positive. And I think it's worth spending the money to get a decent mic like the Rode, and you'll notice some big improvements in audio, especially on the racetrack where your speeds are up a bit higher. So the cabling for the external mic just runs behind the shrouds here and tucked in behind the plastics, up through the subframe area here, and then connects to the Rode microphone, which I've got just zip tied there on the inside of the subframe. Picks up some good audio from under the seat, no wind, sounds pretty nice, very happy with it. This is the mount setup I've got for my Hero 3 Black Plus. It just bolts onto the tail tidy. So I just made a little aluminium bracket and put a GoPro mount on it and a little tether mount as well. And that gets pretty much all my images from the rear of the bike. And I've also got a GoPro mount underneath, which I use sometimes to get some images facing forward. This setup runs just a standard internal mic in the GoPro. I haven't run an external off this one yet. Sound's not too bad. Got a few vibrations around the tail tidy that I need to try to sort out, but apart from that it sounds pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so here's all the parts for my camera setup. So the handlebar mount, we've got the Ulanzi case with the GoPro Hero 6 mounted inside it. It's also got the spot for the GoPro mic adapter to fit in the bottom and plug into the side. We've got my rear number plate mount for my rear camera, and this is the Rode microphone. It does come with a mount and a dead cat and a cable. I've had to get a longer cable to run to the rear of the bike, and this is the old microphone that I tested that didn't work too good, but basically that's the setup. Here's just a little bit of a close-up of the Rode microphone that I ended up with. So it's video micro, and they are an Australian company and they're top quality stuff, really good. I'll put a link below so you can check that out. Also, here's a close-up of the Ulanzi case for GoPro Hero 5 through to 7, I believe. So it accommodates the 3.5mm mic adapter at the bottom there that just slips in, and that attaches to the side of the camera. GoPro basically make it so you need to buy this adapter for 5, 6 and 7s. To fit it, you have to remove the door off the side so the unit's no longer waterproof once it's set up.